Welcome to Money Flow Labs, where we test real strategies for making money online that actually work. I'm your host, and if you're new here, we cut through the hype and share only proven methods that generate real income. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $100 a day online in 2025 using beginner-friendly strategies that require no special skills or massive startup capital. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another make money online video promising easy riches, right? Here's the difference. Everything I'm sharing today is based on real results from real people, including members of our Money Flow Labs community who are already earning between $300 and $3,000 monthly using these exact methods. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 specific strategies you can start implementing this week, realistic timelines for seeing results, and most importantly, you'll know which method is the best fit for your current situation. Here's a real example. Sarah, one of our community members, specializes in creating email newsletters for fitness coaches. She charges $200 per newsletter and creates one newsletter per day for 5 different clients. That's $1,000 daily, working just 5 hours. Social media management for small businesses is incredibly in demand. Most business owners know they need to be on social media, but have no time or knowledge to do it effectively. Social media managers typically charge between $1,000 and $4,000 monthly per client. To reach $100 daily with freelancing, you need to work about 2 to 4 hours daily at these premium rates. The key is choosing one specific service and becoming exceptionally good at it. Method 2. Strategic affiliate marketing. Method number 2 is affiliate marketing, but done strategically for long-term success. Forget about promoting random products for tiny commissions. In 2025, successful affiliate marketing is about becoming a trusted authority in a specific niche and promoting products you genuinely use and believe in. Here's what's working. Creating in-depth review websites for high-ticket products. Instead of reviewing everything, focus on one category like business software, online courses, or productivity tools where commissions range from $50 to $500 per sale. YouTube channels focused on specific problem-solving products work incredibly well. Create honest reviews, tutorials, and comparisons for products in your area of expertise. The key is building trust with your audience so they actually follow your recommendations. Email marketing to engaged subscribers is another powerful approach. Build an email list around a specific topic. Provide genuine value consistently. Then occasionally recommend products that solve your subscribers' problems. Here's the math for reaching $100 daily. If you're promoting products with $50 average commissions, you need 2 sales per day. If you're promoting high-ticket items with $200 commissions, you need just 1 sale every 2 days. Marcus, another community member, runs a YouTube channel reviewing productivity apps for remote workers. He averages $160 daily in affiliate commissions by promoting just 8 different tools he actually uses in his own business. Method 3. Digital product creation. Method 3 is creating and selling digital products that solve specific problems for specific people. The beauty of digital products is you create them once and can sell them indefinitely with no inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches. But here's the key. Don't create generic products. Create solutions for very specific problems. Notion templates for particular professions are selling incredibly well. Real estate agents need deal tracking systems. Fitness trainers need client management templates. Freelancers need project organization tools. Well-designed Notion templates sell for anywhere from $20 to $200 each. Spreadsheets and calculators for business use are another opportunity. Think inventory tracking for Etsy sellers, financial planning for specific professions, or project calculators for contractors. Complex, time-saving spreadsheets can sell for $50 to $800 each. Simple online courses teaching specific skills are also profitable. Not broad topics like how to make money online, but focused solutions like how to write winning freelance proposals or Instagram growth for local restaurants. These focused courses typically sell for $50 to $400 each. To make $100 daily with digital products, you might sell two $50 templates, $100 course, or 5 $20 spreadsheets. Lisa creates budget tracking spreadsheets specifically for single parents. She sells about 12 per week at $35 each, generating over $400 weekly from this single product she created 6 months ago. Method 4. Online tutoring and coaching. Method 4 is online tutoring and coaching, which has absolutely exploded in demand since 2020 and continues growing in 2025. The best part is you don't need formal teaching credentials for most platforms. If you have knowledge in any subject, there's probably someone willing to pay to learn from you. Academic tutoring through platforms like Wyzant, Tutor.com, and Varsity Tutors pays between $25 and $75 per hour, depending on the subject and your experience. English conversation practice for international students is huge right now. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and italki connect you with students worldwide who want to practice conversational English. Native speakers typically earn $15 to $50 per hour, and you can often build a regular schedule with repeat students. Skill-based coaching and consulting is where the real money is. If you have expertise in areas like Excel, social media marketing, resume writing, or business development, you can charge $50 to $200 per hour for one-on-one coaching sessions. Career and business coaching for specific situations also pays well. Help people prepare for job interviews, negotiate salaries, or start online businesses. These coaching sessions often command $75 to $300 each. To reach $100 daily through tutoring, you need about 2 to 6 hours of work, depending on your hourly rate. The higher your expertise level, the higher rates you can charge, and the fewer hours you need to work. Method 5. Modern e-commerce approaches. 1.5 minutes. Our fifth method is modern e-commerce, but we're talking about smart approaches that don't require huge investments or inventory management. Print on demand is perfect for creative people. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases, and platforms like Printful, Guten, or Teespring handle all the printing, shipping, and customer service when orders come in. Successful print-on-demand creators often earn $50 to $800 daily once they find winning designs. Dropshipping can work if you focus on problem-solving products rather than random trending items. Find products that solve specific problems for specific groups of people. Then build simple websites or sell through established marketplaces. The key is thorough product research and testing small quantities before scaling. Digital dropshipping is an interesting approach where you sell digital products created by others, like courses, software, or templates, typically through affiliate partnerships or reseller agreements. Service-based e-commerce is also growing. Instead of selling physical products, sell services like logo design, website creation, or social media setup packages. You can fulfill these services yourself or outsource to freelancers while maintaining quality control. To make $100 daily with e-commerce, you might sell 5 $20 print-on-demand items, 2 $50 service packages, or $100 dropshipping product. The key is finding products or services with good profit margins and consistent demand. Choosing your method and getting started. So how do you choose which method to start with? Consider your current skills, available time, and startup budget. If you have existing skills in writing, design, or business, freelancing offers the fastest path to $100 daily because you can start earning immediately. If you enjoy teaching or helping others solve problems, tutoring and coaching provide flexible scheduling with premium hourly rates. If you want to build something that can eventually run without your constant involvement, focus on affiliate marketing or digital product creation. If you're creative and enjoy designing or finding unique products, e-commerce approaches might be perfect. The most important factor is choosing one method and committing to it for at least 90 days before considering anything else. Most people fail because they jump between opportunities instead of giving one method time to work. Here's your action plan starting today. First, choose one method from this video that matches your current situation and excites you. Second, spend the next 2 days researching that method thoroughly. Watch tutorials, read success stories, understand the requirements and realistic timelines. Third, take one concrete action step within 48 hours. Create a freelance profile, start researching affiliate programs, brainstorm your first digital product. Apply to tutoring platforms or research your first e-commerce product. Remember, making $100 daily online isn't about finding secret tricks or getting lucky. It's about providing real value to real people who have real problems they're willing to pay to solve. Every method I shared today is working for thousands of people right now. The only question is which one you'll choose and when you'll start taking action. Which method are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know which strategy resonates most with your current situation. I read every comment and often provide specific guidance for getting started. If this video gave you a clear roadmap to earning $100 daily online, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Every week here at Moneyflow Labs, we share proven strategies for building real wealth through honest work and smart systems. 2025 is going to be your year for financial growth. Not because it will be easy, but because you now have the knowledge and strategies to make it happen. The only thing standing between you and $100 daily is taking that first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Moneyflow Labs video, where we'll dive deeper into whichever method you choose to pursue.